Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate an Old Navy credit card. Online activation guide step by step clearly. First, take your new or replacement Old Navy credit card and make sure the card is in your name. Find the activation sticker or paperwork that came with the card and keep it nearby for reference. Prepare your personal details, such as your zip code and the last 4 digits of your SSN if requested. Make sure you have a stable internet connection on your phone or computer. Open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. In the address bar, type the official Old Navy or card issuer site used for account access and activation. If your card is issued by Synchrony, go to the Synchrony card login page for Gap Incorporated cards when applicable. Check the web address carefully to avoid fake sites and only use the official domain. On the homepage, look for a button or link that says Activate, Register, or Sign In. If you already have an online account, click Sign In and enter your username and password. If you do not have an online account, choose Register or Create Account to set one up. Enter the required card details, such as the card number and security code, exactly as shown on the card. Provide your identification information as requested to verify your identity. Create a username that you will remember and set a strong password. Choose security questions or verification options and save them for future logins. Confirm your email address and mobile number if the website asks for contact verification. Complete any one-time verification step, such as a code sent by text or email. After you are logged in, locate the option that says Activate Card or Card Activation. Click Activate Card and read any on-screen instructions before continuing. Confirm the card number shown on the page matches your physical card. Enter the CVV or security code if the system requests it for activation. Submit the activation request by clicking Activate, Confirm, or Submit. Wait for the confirmation message that says your card is successfully activated. If you see an error, double-check your entries and try again carefully. If activation still fails, use the customer service number on the back of the card for immediate help. Once activated, sign your card on the signature panel if your card has one. Log out of your account, especially if you used a shared or public device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.